Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to play Stubborn Love on guitar. Let's begin by mastering the 4 essential chords: G major, C major, E minor, and D major. These are the building blocks for the entire song. Take your time to get each chord shape clear and ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. Focus on transitioning smoothly between them. This is key to a fluid performance. You'll be playing in no time. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern. The main rhythm for Stubborn Love is a consistent down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and your wrist loose for a natural, flowing motion. Practice this pattern slowly at first, ensuring each strum is clear and even. Once you feel comfortable, you can gradually increase your speed. This pattern will carry you through most of the song. Understanding the song's structure will greatly help your playing. Stubborn Love primarily uses the G, C, E minor, and D chord progression for its verses and choruses. The bridge might introduce slight variations, but the core 4 chords remain central. Listen closely to the original track to grasp the timing and feel of each section. Notice how the tempo might subtly shift, adding to the song's dynamic feel. Practice each section individually. To truly master Stubborn Love, consistent practice is essential. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy over speed. A metronome can be your best friend here, helping you develop precise timing and a steady rhythm. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice every day. Don't get discouraged. Every musician started somewhere. With patience and persistence, you'll be playing this beautiful song confidently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.